Imagine this. You're carving down a snow-covered mountain, the crisp air biting at your cheeks. Or maybe you're diving into a crystal-clear reef, surrounded by vibrant marine life. Now picture capturing every single moment of that in sharper detail, richer colors, and 8K resolution. Yep, the GoPro Hero 14 might just be the camera to make that a reality. The Hero 13? It was solid. But let's be real, it didn't exactly blow our minds. Enter the Hero 14. If the leaks and rumors are anything to go by, GoPro's next big release is shaping up to be a game changer for action cameras everywhere. Today, we're diving into everything we know so far, from potential specs to release dates and everything in between. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk sensors, because this might be the biggest upgrade yet. The Hero 13 stuck with an older setup, and while it got the job done, it didn't wow. But the Hero 14? Rumors suggest a shiny new 1-inch sensor. Why is this exciting? 2 words: low light. A larger sensor means better dynamic range and less noise, making night scenes, underwater adventures, or even gloomy hiking trails look vibrant and crisp. And for the content creators out there, get ready for 8K video. Yep, this could be the first GoPro to push into that realm. Combine that with their flexible 8:7 aspect ratio, and you've got ultra-high-res footage perfect for cropping into TikToks, YouTube videos, or Instagram reels, all from a single shot. Oh, and slow-motion fans, you're gonna love this. 5.3K at 240 FPS. Imagine capturing a skateboard trick, a motocross jump, or a surfer catching a wave, all in buttery smooth slow-mo with insane detail. Next, let's talk about audio. If you've ever tried vlogging or capturing commentary on the go, you know GoPro's built-in mics can be meh. The Hero 13 forced us to rely on the bulky media mod for better audio, but the Hero 14? It might just support Bluetooth mics right out of the box. Wireless, clean, no extra bulk. If this rumor checks out, it's a massive win for vloggers, adventurers, and content creators everywhere. Now let's not forget about lens mods. GoPro's already done some cool stuff here, but the Hero 14 could step it up even further. Think telephoto options and underwater-specific mods. Even cooler? The camera might auto-adjust settings based on the mod you attach. No more fumbling through menus. Just pop it on and boom, you're ready to shoot. Battery life. It's the Achilles heel of every action camera, especially when you're pushing it to the limit in extreme conditions. The Hero 14 might up the game with a 2,100 mAh battery. That's longer shoots, better performance in the cold, and less worrying about packing a gazillion spares. But here's where it gets really interesting. AI. Picture this. Real-time auto edits, highlight reels made on the fly, and seamless cloud uploads. You spend less time scrubbing through footage and more time actually enjoying your adventures. Alright, let's talk dollars. Based on GoPro's history, the Hero 14 is expected to land somewhere between $400 and $450. Not exactly pocket change, but for what you're getting, pretty competitive. As for the release date, GoPro's been consistent with their fall launches, so mark your calendars for September 2025. With competitors like DJI and Insta360 nipping at their heels, GoPro's got a lot riding on the Hero 14. But if these leaks are legit, it could be the camera that resets the bar for action cameras. Bigger sensors, smarter features, and the kind of specs that make you excited to hit record. The GoPro Hero 14 might just be what we've all been waiting for. What do you think? Are these leaks enough to get you hyped? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any updates.